have link-ups twice a year. Our main link-ups are in summer and December, right? And then we have mini link-ups throughout the quarter, each quarter. So Montego Bay will have their link-up. Then we have Kingston doing their link-up. Side will do their link-up and so forth. And then we have we have a page, an Instagram page, and we have a Facebook page and so forth. Yeah. So I'll get back to you on that one because we recently created it, so we'll get back to you on that one. Yeah. Yeah. But it's same Levin Trueno Society. Right. So you can go on Facebook and look at it and you'll find us. Person who have like the stickers on the cars and all of that, he couldn't make it. Oh. Yeah, he couldn't make it because he just had a baby.
So what kind of years? What kind of years we're talking about?
I'm ranging from 89 up to 2000.
Okay.
Yeah. So we have this is the AE92 chassis. I think this car is probably 1990, 91. Right, and then we have the 101 shape, which is a rounder shape. These start from 91 going up to 95. And then you have the 111, which is the yellow one and the black one and the blue one down there. That's AE 111. So those are the later Levins, the later chassis. So he actually does those for us, he prints the logos if you want your name on the back. Yeah, we have hats as well and everything there, like bands and so just because he's not here, as I say,
You did my car, no?
we have, as I said, different shirts, different colors.
What the bubble be feeding? That's the driver there.
Not proprietary stuff, on the engine, I'm sure people. Yeah, we know what a close up, man. I said, what that? Yeah. So,
And most of the engines are black top 20 valve, super top 20 valve, 3S GTE. Yeah. So
I know nothing of what you just said.
See white baby one over there, so
basically, the box I get in
Man, you know too many people, man.
I used to live in Montego. I used to live at Kingston before.
The guys from Portmore. Yes, man. TGP.
So you have content already?
Yes, man. Yes, man. Again, the channel is the guys from Portmore.
Guys from Portmore.
Yeah, man. TGP.